Still waiting for the perfect time to start? Let me tell you, that time is now. You don't need a gym, fancy gear, or even a mat. Just stand tall, take a deep breath and move with me. Because this isn't just a workout, it's a promise to yourself. Every rep you do today melts away frustration, self-doubt, and the voice that says you can't. Let's silence that voice, one move at a time. Your goal? Push through the next 10 minutes. No distractions, no breaks. Just effort, grit, and fire. Stand tall, feet together, arms straight in front. Drive your right knee up to touch your palms, then switch to your left. Stay steady. Feel your core engage and keep breathing. Feet shoulder width apart. Bend your right leg and touch your right foot with your left hand while your right hand reaches toward the ceiling. Switch sides, keep your body active, no lazy movements. Stand straight, arms at sides. Engage your abs as you kick your right leg up, bringing your left hand to touch your toes. Crunch slightly. Then switch sides, feel that core ignite. Legs slightly wider than your hips. Raise one arm overhead and bend your body to the side. Feel that deep stretch along your torso. Get back up and repeat on the other side. Feet shoulder width apart, arms above your head. Lower your hands to the right while lifting your right knee toward your waist. Twist through your torso, alternate sides, and keep your balance tight. Feet shoulder width apart, arms at sides. Lift your right foot slightly, twist right and balance. Switch sides. Feel your core stabilize as your muscles work together. Lower into a squat. Then as you rise, bring your right knee to meet your left elbow. Switch sides. Power through your legs and core. Every rep counts. Hands raised above your head. Cross your arms, then swing them down toward your right knee. Back up and repeat to the left. Keep your rhythm. Stay controlled. Step back diagonally with your left leg, arms stretching to the right. Feel that stretch. Now switch. Control every step. Feet wide, hands behind your head. Lift your knee high, twist your torso to meet it, then drop your leg and tap your heel with your opposite hand. Switch sides, core and coordination working together. Step back into a deep lunge. Twist your torso toward the front leg. Feel the stretch through your core and hips. Come back up, switch legs, control and focus. Step your right leg back, then drive your knee up toward your chest while bringing your elbows toward it. Reset and switch legs. Keep breathing. Jump up, drive one knee toward your chest. Touch it with your opposite elbow. Switch sides fast. Stay light on your feet. This is your burn zone. Feet hip width apart, arms in front of chest. Twist your upper body to the right as you jump, then switch to the other side. Land softly. Keep twisting until the timer hits 0. You made it to the end, and that means something. You didn't quit. You didn't wait. You showed up. Every drop of sweat is proof you're stronger than your excuses. Save this video, repeat it tomorrow, and let's transform together. This is FitFlix Move, where we move with purpose. Subscribe and keep building the best version of you.